Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, and today's topic is going to be on description that attracts customer from competitors. So guys, how can you create a description that customer wants to purchase from you rather than going to your competitors listings? So guys, I will dive right into this and teach you what a perfect description looks like. So guys, as I mentioned to you earlier, you have to first go to Jungle Scout, keyword scout, and then search for your product, and then download that Excel sheet that Jungle Scout gives you. And after downloading that Excel sheet, you have to copy this keywords. You can copy as much as you can, and after copying these keywords, and guys, after copying those keywords, you have to go to word character count, as I mentioned you in my previous video guys. So I want to keep this as short as possible and simple guys, and go to remove duplicate words. And after coming here, paste your keywords that you copied from your Excel sheet, and click on simple removal guys. And as you get these keywords, you have to again copy these keywords, and you have to go to WordPress. And after going to WordPress, you have to paste the keywords that you copied from word character count. And as you can see, I'm just showing example, and that's why there is not many keywords, and you have to make a description out of this guys. So I'll be showing you what a perfect description looks like guys. So as you can see guys, I have already created a description for you guys, so it can save you time. So as you can see, my product was ultrasonic pest repeller for example, and this is just example. And I tell you again and again guys not to sell this product, as this is only example, and I already sold this product, and this was a restricted product in Amazon, and I made a loss on this product. So and this is only for example purpose guys. And as you can see, I've created a description, and this is the way your description should look like guys. First you have to put like ultrasonic pest repeller and its uses. As you can see, firstly you have to mention its uses, and secondly how friendly it is, and how friendly your product can be, and third ease of use, so easy to use, and its uses guys, widely used in. And lastly you have to put its key features guys, as you can see. And guys, you can screenshot this description that I am showing you guys for example purpose, and you can write in this format. As you can see here, it is ultrasonic pest repeller used to repel mites, rats, spider, bugs, roaches, mosquitoes, ants, flies, rodents, etc. 100% safe and eco-friendly. This device solves pest problem in a way without using chemicals, poisons, or sprays. Easy to use. Plug in into outlet in your house to effectively eliminate those pests and rodents away immediately without any mess. No cleaning up of dead rodents or insect. So and fourth is widely used in. This repellent are widely used in various places such as homes, offices, hotels, shops, garages, warehouse, gardens, and so on. And key features. Lastly, key features are built with a high quality ABS safety, flame retardant material, advanced electromagnetic technology, high quality, low energy consumption, safer, anti-drop, and durable repeller guys. So guys, after after your customer reads your description, they have to be clear what your product is all about guys. So as you can see, here is the perfect example for you guys. And as we come down, you have to put your specification, like its frequency, rated voltage, material, power, frequency, color, size, weight, effective coverage area, using environment, temperature. And guys, this specification, you can get this specification from your supplier website. Product is ultrasonic pest repeller, and you go to your supplier website, then they will have a specification of their product guys. So you can see their specification, product specification, and you can get idea what you can put on your own description, guys. And you can mention, guys, what's included in the package. As you can see, I've included pack of ultrasonic pest repeller and user manual booklet for free. And lastly, you have to give a note, like you have to give a trust note that if you receive defective unit in your package, feel free to contact us for a refund or replacement. We will be thankful if you could leave your after sales experience to other customers at our page, or give any product improvement suggestion about the ultrasonic pest repeller, guys. And guys, if your customer read this note, they will have a trust with you and may lead this to conversion and may get you sales, guys. So hope you got example on how and what a perfect description looks like, guys. And guys, one thing to keep in mind is that after you finish writing product description, what you have to do is you have to copy this description. As you can see, you have to copy this description and you have to go to wait for a while, you have to go to this word to HTML. You have to type on Google word to HTML. The reason why I am showing you this is, if you go to Amazon and if you go to directly to description, and if you put like this description in this way, it shows gap, but when you click on save and finish button, it will show something like this, guys. It will seem something like this. As you can see here, it's product description and it will seem like something like this, all put together in one place, guys. So there isn't gap. So as you can see, you have put gap in here, but what Amazon does, as you can see, you have put gap in here, but what Amazon does is they put all your product description in one place, and it seems messy, guys. It seems messy. And what you have to do is you have to go to word to HTML and click on the first link. As you can see, here comes the page, and you have to paste the product description that we copied from WordPress. As you can see here, guys, we have pasted the description that we copied from WordPress here in the word editor. And what we have to do now is we have to click on this. We are here and we have to click on this HTML link. As you can see, guys, this HTML link, and you will see something like this, and what you have to do now is you have to click on the clean button, and as you can see, you will get a HTML processed description. So what you have to do now is you have to copy this description, as you can see, we have to copy this one, copy this HTML processed description, and what we have to do is we have to go back to this product description. Let's cut this out first, and we have to put this description here, guys. So this way what will happen is that, guys, previously our description will look like this if we wouldn't converted it to HTML description. It will seem something like this, all gathered together in one place. Now what it looks like is that if we click on save and finish button, it will look something like this, guys. As you can see, our product description will look something like this. There are gaps between this every each other point, so our description will look like this after converting it into HTML as you can see here. This way it will attract customer from your competitors, guys. So this type of description really attracts all your customers from other competitors, guys. And one thing, guys, as we come here back to this listing creation page, one thing I want to show you is you have to, as you click on the vital info tab, as you have already put your UPC barcode and you have put your title and you have already put your description out in the description tab and what brand name actually is your brand name, guys. For example, if your brand name is, for example, I'm just showing you example, if your brand name is Pestmaster, PSTMASTR, and check this out, brand name, on whether this brand name is already trademarked or not, guys. As you mentioned in the earlier video, how you can check your trademark, guys. And here in the manufacturer button, you don't have to confuse yourself. You have to put the same name that you type here in your brand name, because we are doing this private labeling, so we have to put our own name, our own brand name, Petmaster. And here you have to choose, if your product is in white, then you can put it in white. Anything else color, for example white, if my product is white, then I will choose white. And here we have to do the same, we have to put white as we put in above. And what you have to do here is, and what you can put here is your size, guys. You can put small size. It's because our product is not too big, so you have to put small. And as we come here in the variation tab, if our product consists of variation, then you can choose your variation type here, guys. And what this offer actually is, I'll show you. Here we come to our price, guys. As I mentioned you earlier in my previous price video, what you have to do is you have to set your price as low as possible at the beginning, guys. So for example, at the time I showed you that we can put our price at 9.99, and as you can see, we have to put our price at 9.99. Seller asks you you can leave this field, and you can also leave this field sell price, and you can also leave this field for example, but I prefer you're doing like 19.99. and what Amazon will show to your customers is they will show 19.99, but in offer they will show you 9.99, guys, and the actual price that customer will buy is from 9.99, guys. And for condition, and guys, this is not necessary, you can leave this button also. And for condition, you have to put new, guys. You can choose like used or something else, you have to put it new here, guys. And as we come down, condition note, manufacturer says you can leave this button. Restock, you can leave the handling time, product tax code, a general no tax. And what you have to do is, if your product consists of in any of the tax, then you can put it here, but generally all the products requires a gen no tax. A gen no tax refers to no tax is applied in the product, guys. You can find it here in down button, A B C D E F. You can see here, guys, as we come down. As you can see here, it's a gen no tax. That means this product won't require any tax. And as we come down below, guys, here, this is the most important tab, guys, as per as I know, or in my recommendation, because as you set your price lower, people want to purchase more units, guys. So what you have to do is, if you are setting your price as low as 9.99, you are not on profit, guys. That means you have to set maximum order quantity at 1, guys. Default it will by default Amazon will be 10. You have to set it in 1, maximum order quantity in 1, and after you raise your price, you can set it at 10 or something else, like 100, something else more than that, guys. But at first you keep it 1, set this quantity at 1, guys, because what happened is, at first when I started selling on Amazon, I didn't know this tab really mattered, and I left this button, and what happened was I ordered like around 500 units, and at the time I set my price as low as possible, and I was below my profit point, guys. So at the time what happened is, guys, one customer purchased around 10 units, and because my product was in sale, and they purchased 10 units, and in around 4 days my total inventory got out of stock. So what happened was, one person ordered around 8, 9, 10, and another person purchased around 8, 9, 10. So what happened was, my stock got out of inventory, guys, and I didn't make any profit in that product, guys. So it either of profit, it took me to loss, guys. So you have to really keep in mind this maximum order quantity and set it to 1 if you are lowering your price at first, guys. So you have to keep in mind, because I don't want you to make the mistake that I had made in my past, guys. So guys, hope you got example what maximum order quantity is, and once again I will repeat this for you. If you are starting out and you are setting your price at your bottom point, then you have to keep this maximum order quantity at 1, and as you grow up and increase your price, you can set it at 10 or 100, but at first you have to put it in 1 only, guys. Because what happens is, if you set it at 10, by default Amazon will set it at 10, and what happens is, one customer will purchase around 9 to 10 units. If they saw it in sale, then what happens is, you will get out of stock in 1 week, guys, and you won't make any profit in that product, guys. So you have to keep in mind this is the most important thing, because I've already made a mistake, and I've made a huge loss in this in the simple button, guys. So you have to keep in mind, and what you have to do is, you have to leave this. You can leave this button, you can migrate a template, you can also leave this button, and I will see what you have to do is, there's two options, merchant fulfill and fulfill by Amazon. What you have to do is, you have to click on this Amazon fulfill by Amazon button, and after that you can leave this compliance button, guys. You can leave this compliance button. So hope you guys example on how you can create a product description, and the tips that I gave you on pricing and this maximum order quantity. So guys, I will be seeing you guys in my next video, guys.